Imagine the early Earth, a fiery molten ball just beginning to cool, with rivers of lava flowing across its surface. The atmosphere was a toxic mix, filled with noxious gases that would be deadly to us today. It had methane, ammonia, and very little oxygen, creating a hostile environment. It was nothing like the air we breathe today, which is rich in oxygen and supports life.
This early atmosphere was inhospitable to life as we know it, making survival impossible. The Earth was a very different place billions of years ago, constantly changing and evolving. It was a world of extremes with violent weather and rugged landscapes. Volcanoes erupted frequently, spewing lava and gases into the atmosphere, shaping the land. This was the very beginning of our planet's long journey to the world we know today, a journey of transformation.
The early atmosphere was thick with carbon dioxide, water vapor, and nitrogen, creating a dense fog. These gases trapped heat from the sun, creating a greenhouse effect that warmed the planet. This made the Earth much hotter than it is now, with temperatures soaring. The oceans were still forming and the land was barren and rocky, devoid of any life. Life as we know it could not have survived in this early atmosphere, which was too harsh.
But deep in the oceans, something remarkable was happening, hidden from the harsh surface conditions. The first stirrings of life were beginning to emerge, setting the stage for the evolution of life on Earth.
Volcanoes played a crucial role in shaping Earth's early atmosphere. These fiery giants released massive amounts of gases from the planet's interior. These gases included water vapor, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. These eruptions were a constant reminder of the powerful forces shaping our young planet.
Over millions of years, volcanic outgassing had a profound effect. The composition of the atmosphere gradually changed. Water vapor condensed to form oceans, carbon dioxide dissolved into these newly formed oceans.
These early volcanic eruptions were not just destructive events. They were essential in creating the conditions necessary for life. The gases they released helped to form the oceans and regulate the Earth's temperature.
Volcanic activity continues to this day. It serves as a reminder of the dynamic nature of our planet. The Earth is constantly changing, and the atmosphere is a reflection of these changes.
Deep in the oceans, a revolution was brewing. Tiny organisms called cyanobacteria emerged. These single-celled organisms possessed a remarkable ability. They could perform photosynthesis. They used sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create their own food.
A byproduct of this process was oxygen. As these early cyanobacteria thrived, they released increasing amounts of oxygen into the atmosphere. This marked the beginning of a gradual yet profound transformation.
At first, the oxygen produced by cyanobacteria reacted with iron in the oceans. This created banded iron formations, a testament to the early presence of oxygen. Over time, oxygen began to accumulate in the atmosphere.
This gradual increase in atmospheric oxygen had a profound impact on life on Earth. It paved the way for the evolution of more complex life forms that relied on oxygen for respiration.
Around 2.4 billion years ago, a dramatic shift occurred. The levels of oxygen in the atmosphere began to rise rapidly. This event, known as the Great Oxidation Event, was a turning point in Earth's history. It marked a significant shift in the balance of power.
The increase in oxygen had a profound impact on life. Many anaerobic organisms, which cannot survive in the presence of oxygen, perished. This event paved the way for the evolution of aerobic organisms, which use oxygen for respiration.
The Great Oxidation Event was a double-edged sword. It led to the extinction of many anaerobic life forms. However, it also created opportunities for the evolution of new oxygen-breathing life.
This event highlights the interconnectedness of Earth's systems. Changes in the atmosphere can have profound and far-reaching consequences for life on our planet.
Section 5. Adaptation and Evolution. Life finds a way. Life is incredibly resilient. As oxygen levels rose, organisms adapted to the changing environment.
Some organisms developed ways to protect themselves from the harmful effects of oxygen. Others evolved to use oxygen for respiration.
This adaptation to oxygen led to the evolution of more complex life forms. Eukaryotic cells, which have a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles, emerged.
These cells were more efficient at using oxygen for energy. The rise of oxygen also paved the way for the evolution of multicellular organisms.
These organisms were able to grow larger and more complex, leading to the incredible diversity of life we see today. The story of life on Earth is a testament to its ability to adapt and thrive in the face of change.
From the depths of the oceans to the highest mountains, life has found a way to exist in virtually every corner of our planet.
Section 6. A protective shield emerges, the ozone layer. As oxygen levels continued to rise, another crucial development occurred. In the upper atmosphere, oxygen molecules reacted to form ozone. This layer of ozone acted as a shield protecting life on Earth from the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation.
The formation of the ozone layer was a critical step in the evolution of life on Earth. It allowed life to move out of the oceans and onto land. The ozone layer provided a protective barrier, allowing life to thrive in a wider range of environments.
The ozone layer is a reminder of the delicate balance of Earth's systems. Even small changes in the composition of the atmosphere can have significant consequences for life. Today, the ozone layer is threatened by human activities. Chemicals released into the atmosphere have been shown to deplete the ozone layer.
This highlights the importance of understanding and protecting our planet's delicate systems.
Section 7. From greenhouse to icehouse climate fluctuations. Over billions of years, Earth's climate has fluctuated dramatically. Periods of intense heat, known as greenhouse periods, have alternated with ice ages. These fluctuations have been driven by a complex interplay of factors, including volcanic activity, solar radiation, and atmospheric composition.
These climate fluctuations have had a profound impact on life. During greenhouse periods, life flourished in warm tropical environments. Ice ages, on the other hand, led to mass extinctions and forced life to adapt to colder, harsher conditions. Understanding Earth's past climate is crucial for predicting future climate change. By studying past climate fluctuations, scientists can gain insights into the complex interactions that drive Earth's climate system.
The history of Earth's climate is a story of constant change. From scorching heat to frigid ice, life has weathered these changes and continued to evolve and diversify.
Section 8. The atmosphere today, a delicate balance. The atmosphere we breathe today is a product of billions of years of evolution, shaped by countless natural processes and events. It is a complex and dynamic system that plays a vital role in sustaining life on Earth, from the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals. The atmosphere regulates our planet's temperature, protects us from harmful radiation, and distributes water vapor around the globe, creating weather patterns and climates.
The composition of the atmosphere is finely tuned to support life, maintaining a delicate balance of gases. Nitrogen and oxygen make up the vast majority of the atmosphere, providing the essential elements for respiration and combustion. Trace gases such as carbon dioxide, water vapor, and ozone play crucial roles in regulating Earth's climate and protecting life from the sun's ultraviolet rays.
Today, human activities are altering the composition of the atmosphere at an unprecedented rate, leading to significant environmental changes. The burning of fossil fuels releases massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, contributing to global warming and climate change. This is leading to a warming of the planet, with potentially catastrophic consequences for ecosystems and human societies alike. The atmosphere is a precious and fragile resource integral to the health of our planet. It is essential for life as we know it, providing the air we breathe and the climate we depend on. Understanding and protecting the atmosphere is crucial for ensuring a habitable planet for generations to come, requiring collective action and sustainable practices.
Section 9. Our precious atmosphere, a call for stewardship. As we look to the future, it is clear that our actions have consequences. Every decision we make, no matter how small, has a ripple effect on the environment. The choices we make today will determine the fate of our planet and the generations that follow. It is imperative that we act with foresight and responsibility. We have a responsibility to be good stewards of Earth's resources, including our precious atmosphere. This means making conscious efforts to reduce waste and conserve energy. We must reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and transition to cleaner, renewable sources of energy. Embracing technologies like wind and solar power is crucial. We must protect and restore Earth's forests, which play a vital role in absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Reforestation and afforestation are key strategies. We must also support policies that promote sustainability and address the challenges of climate change. Advocacy and civic engagement are powerful tools for change. The future of our planet depends on our collective action. Each of us has a role to play in this global effort. It is time for us to come together as a global community and take responsibility for the future of our planet. Unity and collaboration are essential. The Earth is our only home. We must cherish and protect it with all our might. Let us work together to protect it for ourselves and for generations to come. Our actions today will shape the world of tomorrow. Let us ensure that the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the land we inhabit remain healthy and vibrant for all. Together we can make a difference.